A lot of women complain their man isn't as affectionate as he used to be. Meanwhile, she's constantly holding out on sex, which is one of the biggest precursors to a man's ability to show affection in a relationship. Do you see how reciprocity works? You get what you give. The notion of being a man's piece is one that is usually explored in your classic fairy tales like Beauty and the Beast. A feminine woman's power to heal a man simply by looking into his eyes or her soft touch is a source of infinite power for a man. She represents a safe space where he can shed his tough exterior for a while and just relish in her feminine presence. He can successfully repair the open wounds inflicted on him by society by reminding himself of his love for the woman that he bled for. That's the most beautiful kind of relationship a man can have and experience. And if you don't agree, take this one trait out of the equation and tell me what's left. Tell me what you have. A woman that wants to compete with you? A woman that judges your vulnerability like the outside world does? A woman that's just another battle you have to fight once you get home? That is the very antithesis of true femininity, no matter how beautiful her exterior might be.